Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find the apps. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and here pick 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's pick Reset App Preferences as it is the option we're looking for, and here your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps and basically that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your Xiaomi 12S. Thank you so much for watching, I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.